on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big enough.
What's up? We are back. Hopefully you enjoyed the rebuilding my Chevelle. We got a few little things to finish here before we can go testing this weekend, but all the parts came, I think, so far. I got a new master cylinder, but yeah, man, things to do. We're excited. Testing countdown here to Saturday. Will we make it? Let's find out. Let's take a look at some things we got. This was on sale from Autometer. I needed a new one. Obviously, as you guys saw, I needed some lines and some fittings. I got those and some more fittings as well. So we're able to get these pretty quickly. It's just going on my transmission. I had to order 10 foot. They don't sell any shorter. So it's going in just to loop the trans cooler lines that I don't have right now. So let's check it out. It's a beautiful day and we are on that horse. Gonna test at Bowling Green this Saturday. We got a few things to fix. Master cylinder, get the transmission lines tied around and all that stuff. And how about a little Jegs box? You love to see it coming through clutch. So let's get after it. More things with instructions that don't make sense. None of this shit's in here. Doesn't tell you how to put it. Like, there should be a step-by-step process. There is not. All right, we're getting into it now. We got to do some pipe bending. Let's see if we can't get this right. It just seems dangerous. Close enough. Should be a little way to work.
Painted area gets out to that basketball. Keyshawn Hall has a high release. That's not easy to get to his ball. And Mari Evans does it as well as you can.
They don't make this easy, Wade. All right, so we got the new master cylinder on, but haven't figured out how to bleed these things yet, so I had to call in a favor. This thing won't beat me yet, but it's damn sure trying.
2 hours later.
Real talk, dude, this is so dumb. Why are there different throttle rods? Why are there different brake pressure rods? Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? All right, it's another day. These brakes tried to beat me yesterday. Wade tried to come and help me, but just couldn't get it. But we started over. We're going to take it back off, try to fix the rod, figure out if it goes in. There's some measurement stuff. It's a lot going on. Zero description from folks. I had to ask Matt, and we kind of went back and forth. So we're going to try to figure this out. We're going to take it step by step, measure and do all the things, and see if we can't get the push rod to work and go from there. So here goes nothing. All right, so we're going to take this back off. Take the rod out of the pedal, try to do some measurements off the car, and then go from there. All right, so this is all the way down to the cylinder, no pressure, okay? So what we're gonna do is measure the distance here to see how far it goes to the pedal, and to see if we have a lot. Like, if it's not hitting the clevis, then I've got to extend this, which I have an extension, I guess. I'll swap the other one and we'll try to go from there. But that's how you're supposed to measure it. They make a tool, but I obviously don't have a tool, so we're gonna have to kick it old school here.
2 hours later.
Learn something new every day. My dumbass was loosening that instead of the actual air bleed. Just so dumb. But we adjusted that push rod. We got it in there. We're letting it gravity bleed right now for a little while, and then we'll try to get it set up. So a little bit at a time. All right, we're gonna finish the training cooler line loop, since again I don't have a training cooler, so let's get that buttoned up. All right, we're gonna see if we can't lower this ride height a little bit with just a little bit of a shock movement adjustment. So let's see how it Well, that didn't work. Let's try something else. All right, we're gonna put it back together. We got brake pedal. I didn't put the proportioning valve on there. We'll see if we need it after the first race, after some testing and see. But we got brakes, seemingly okay. I'm gonna roll it forward, see if they release and everything. I gotta get it on the ground, obviously, and check that, but I think we're good for now. I'm not gonna make any other crazy changes, so let's get it out and clean it up. All right, we got some stuff moved around, got the truck hooked up, but guess what? They disconnected the truck brake setup with the brake lights and all the plug-ins, so now I gotta swap that around. Man, I the things we do for racing, but we're gonna get the Chevelle out, the Super Stocker out here, check the fluids, make sure the trans brake works and everything still, and check the brakes again, feels like it's okay, and then we'll go from there. Let's see how it goes. All right, we're gonna move this thing out here, check some trans fluid, and see if we don't have a race car again. Start works. You know, it's funny when I go back and look at all the stuff that I wanted to do. You know, here is to do all that stuff, but to buy, we didn't get a new fire suit, didn't get a new battery, didn't get any spare parts because we spent it all on the transmission. But we did get disc brake, we got race seats, we wired it, we sold some stuff. Man, long way. What do we think that first pass is going to be?
Tell me who's excited.
Does it look good?
We're making it one day at a time. We'll see.
What are you doing? Don't post my video right there, me.
What?
Don't be posting a video of me.
Why? I can't put you in the video?
I'm in my night clothes.
Oh, okay. All right, you ready? You got your foot on the brake? Ready?
Yeah, I have my foot
Oh, I don't
on.
have the power on. We got a hot rod now. Y'all want to see the real heartbeat of America?
We don't hear that keyboard noise. Don't test me or I'll smoke them. You have to throw me out like I'm an MX boy. I was born to this racing life, and I don't know much else. I know an undertaker and a money maker who'll load you up if you need some help. I've been putting in the work. Can't you see the blood, sweat, and tears? If I catch you at the stripe, I'll give it 3 risks at the finish line, but you know I'm here.
All right, we cleaned one thing. Now this disaster before we go anywhere. We're doing it. Race day, finally. Gonna go test. We got some stuff to do to get there though. The truck, they unhooked the wiring. So I gotta switch cables, switch plug-ins for that. So I gotta do that, get the cooler ready, get the car swapped around. We're doing it. So it's a mad dash. Let's see how it goes. Can you get in here so I can push it?
Won't start?
No, won't start.
It does.
Thanks.
Oh, God.
Use your muscles.
Alright.
Whee!
Put her in park. You gotta push the little silver. Push it. Push it down. Now just hit it. Now pull the trigger and push. There we go.
Pro.
Gotta figure out why this signal won't work.
Good job. You fed it bad gas.
In case you forgot, that's how close we get. Sometimes we gotta even get a little closer.
First day of the track. Yeah, open my door. Rude. Yeah,
Sorry.
it's okay.
Rivy,
months
your first
in
time to
and-
the racetrack.
Hey. Hey,
You
girl.
excited, Riv? Pretty girl.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, Riv. Not only is our maiden voyage in the new Super Stalker, but maiden voyage in the truck. How you feeling?
I feel good.
It's your first time riding in it.
I know. This is the tester.
Riv, it's your first time. How excited are you for the racetrack?
You gonna be a racetrack dog? She's like, I don't care.
All right, here goes nothing. Let's drive this thing around, make sure everything works as it's supposed to.
This is that feeling that you get right before you pull into the water box or right after you do your burnout. Check them straps, roll your neck a little bit, take a couple deep breaths, you bumping it in, and you let go. And it's the top of the bottom and you know you crushed it. You get to 500 foot out and you start beating the pedal out of that thing. You get to the finish line, you
Oh, that's weird. Got power to it. Why is it not shifting? It's got power. Alright, one small issue. Had to ground the solenoid. I wasn't thinking. I was trying to give it power and shift RPM, so we fixed that. Alright, here goes nothing. First run. Let's see how it goes. Adjust the linkage a little bit. It got stuck in second there when it got hit into the shift, so we'll fix that.
First of all, you like it? She's a little unsure, but we're making it. What do you think? Do you like the racetrack or not? Yes or no?
All right, we'd like to see what it runs, so we're gonna try to hand shift it. We've got a little issue with the solenoid and the plunger and the linkage maybe, so I'm gonna try to hand shift it and see if it'll run here. I'm turning the air off, so we'll see if I remember how to do this. All right, try number 2. We're just gonna hand shift it. That way we can at least see it go down the racetrack. Let's see how it goes. I only went through the traps at like, I don't know, maybe 81 or 2. We'll check the graph and see how it went. All right, pretty happy with that. I mean, I had the hand shift, so, you know, I was happy. It picked up a bunch to the 330 in the 8th mile, 10th and a half. I got to figure out, obviously, it only went 11:41 down track, but we got to get some things figured out. But I felt good otherwise, so, you know, here's the hope. Well, we did it. Made a concerted effort. Very happy with everything. It's a long, long journey, but we did it. We made it. So we got some little things to work out. Obviously, I think I got to go through the brakes again just to make sure everything's good. And got to figure out the shifter issue, obviously, but really happy with everything. Truck pulled. So we're really happy. Everything's just really going well, man. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate you checking out the videos. Hopefully y'all are digging them. Let us know in the comments if you aren't, or if you are, let us know. All the good stuff. But till next time, man, we got a race coming up soon, so peace.
Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big enough.